Hey guys, it's kind of a bittersweet time of the year for us because, well, it's time to say goodbye to our long-term Ford F-250 with the 7.3 liter Godzilla engine under the hood. Now, in the past, what we've done is we've bought these trucks, kept them for a year, improved them. Of course, this has that kick-ass Carly lift, among other things, and then we sold them. This year, we're selling it a different way. We formed a brand new all-truck, all the time auction website called TFLbids.com, and you've guessed it, the first truck that we'll be auctioning is this one. So go to TFLbids.com, and if you're interested in this truck, place a bid, or better yet, you can sell your own truck. Now, of course, you're probably curious about this truck, so Tommy, take it away and do a walk around and show them what they'll be bidding on.
Up for auction is our 2020 Ford F-250 with the 7.3 liter gasoline V8. This truck is being sold with a clean Colorado title and 2 keys. We bought this vehicle brand new at the end of 2019. We are the original owners. It now has about 11,400 miles on it. The exterior condition is excellent. There are no major imperfections to speak of, and the vehicle has never been in an accident or collision. The chrome is in as new shape as well, shines up very well. I'll do a walk around of the exterior of the truck. This is to give you a sense of the exterior condition. Straight and true around the side. No imperfections on the rear. Same thing on the other side. Let me show you the engine. The 7.3 liter V8 in this truck is in stock condition, apart from a tune done by 5-Star Tuning. It does have the option for dual batteries. Runs great. The truck has little to no rust on it. Show you the undercarriage here. And does have several mods that we tallied up to about $15,000 if you were to buy them new. Starting with the suspension. This is the Carly pin top system. Very premium shock system, King shocks. It's also rolling on 37-inch Falcon Wild Peak AT tires and KMC wheels. The side step here is original to the truck. You can see no rust down there along the rocker. And the underside is rust-free as well. It does have an aftermarket exhaust back here, a cat back exhaust with dual pipes. Has a great sound to it. And in the rear here, it is fully bedlined with a second set of Deaver springs as well. This does have 2 cameras, one in the rear, one above the cab as well. And this is an XLT truck. Let me show you the interior. Standard key, unlock the driver's side door. It also has the buttons along the B-pillar there. The seats are in as new condition. No stains, no rips, no tears on every seat in the vehicle. Same with the center armrest. It is floor lined with rubber mats. There's the mileage, 11,368 miles. I'll do a startup for you. No warning lights, no check engine light. We are running the truck at lower than recommended air pressure for a better on-road ride. That's why we do have a TPMS warning, but that will go away when you increase the air pressure. This does have the Sync touchscreen here with phone capability. It also has XM capability as well. Air conditioning functions as it should. Brake controller, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, and this is the FX4 package as well, so a rear locking differential. Like I said, the interior condition is excellent. Dashboard has no rips or tears in it. Headliner is in as new condition. Let me show you the rear seats. This is the full Super Crew cab here. And you can see the rear seats are also in perfect condition. One last feature I would like to show you. We do have the factory owner's manual here, as well as the original window sticker with the original MSRP of $55,805. That will give you a sense of the options on this truck. All right. In very good condition, 2020 F-250, up for auction over at TFLbids. Hope this gave you a better sense of the overall condition.
Well, there you have it, guys. Your chance to own this very truck. And if you've got a cool truck, and this is what we're looking for, technically unique trucks, you know, trucks that are off-road worthy, trucks that are classic, trucks that are somehow unique, not just your everyday 10-year-old truck, go to TFLbids and create an account because, well, it's a site designed specifically for truck guys and truck gals. It's all trucks all the time. Thanks for watching, and check out TFLcar.com, but more importantly, TFLtruck.com for news, views, and of course, your chance to own a really cool Ford F-250 Godzilla. See you guys next time. Ciao.